I'm here, but I'm not just interested in science. I'm here because I want hope. I want to understand what's next, what's possible, what's being done to bring gene therapy to life that could truly help our families. So let me walk you through two big stages in this process that we must go through before it ever reaches a family member. These are the preclinical stage and the clinical stage. So the first part is what we are calling the preclinical stage. This is before the therapy is allowed anywhere near people. You can think of it like building the foundation for a house. Before you move in, you have to be sure it won't collapse. In this stage, the scientists are working behind the scenes to develop a therapy that can actually deliver a healthy gene into the cells, one that replaces the faulty gene causing sialidosis. This is complex. It's like trying to fix a broken instruction manual inside the body. If you can replace the wrong page with the correct one, the body may start to work the way it was meant to be. Once they think they have built a therapy around that could work, they test it in the lab and then in animals. Why? Because we need to know it's not going to cause harm. We need to know how the body reacts to this. This includes checking whether the therapy goes to the right place, whether it causes inflammation, whether it might accidentally affect other parts of the body. It is slow, no doubt about it. It's expensive, no doubt about it. And sometimes it's heartbreaking. But it's careful for a reason, because when this therapy reaches our family, our children, we want it to be as safe and effective as possible. Think of this stage as the practice run before we bring it into the real world. Now we move to the second part. The second part is the clinical stage. Now, if the therapy passes all these early safety tests, this is where the focus shifts to real people, real families. This is the stage we are all longing for, when the therapy is finally tested in humans. At first, it will start with just a few individuals, very carefully selected by others, not by us, based on specific criteria that the university and FDA and NIH or whoever, all the techies, the medical folks are, that they will decide. And I don't know what those criteria are. The focus then becomes, is it actually working? Are there improvement in symptoms? Is the body responding in the way we hope? Can this slow the disease and reverse some of the effects? We think it can, and when all these results are collected and reviewed, that's when we are really kicking into overdrive. This whole process, preclinical and clinical, is not fast, but it's within a year's time is what we're hoping. It's certainly not cheap, but every part of this is designed to protect our children and our family members, and then give them the best shot at a better future. I know it's hard to wait. I've been waiting since my daughter was 5 years old. She is 24. I know what it feels like wanting answers now. But I also know that thanks to science, to people like Dan and others and donors and researchers, we are closer than we have ever been. So while we wait, we stay united, we share information, we raise awareness, we keep fighting.